はよ
エリとアイラです。今からスターバックスを飲みに行きます。口の中でパンプキンのシリーズが出たけど、
パンプキンスパイス。
はい、私はパンプキンスパイスチャイラテかな。後で買います。その後に動物園に行きたいって旦那が言うので行って、何かご飯食べれたらなって思います。行ってきます。
バイ。
ドンキドーナツ着きました。スターバックスのなかったので、私はバニラチャイのアイス頼みました。これはハイクラウン T シャツメイキンブレッジで買って、今日はシューズ履きたくないっつってたからサンダル。イエーイ。
Hey guys, so we just left Dunkin Donuts. They didn't have pumpkin spice, but we got just regular coffee. I got French vanilla, of course.
And I got vanilla chai tea latte かな。
Vanilla chai tea latte, I guess.
日本語で多分。
So I got hot. It's pretty hot out here. It's 33 degrees Celsius.
バカ。
Now, but she got ice. I got hot. I always drink a hot coffee. I don't know. It's not coffee if it's not hot. Hey, it's fine. You can leave it.
Yes. It's a...
She's worried about her eyelashes. Told her just leave it alone.
だってこれ目に刺さるんだもん。 目に刺さるから。
Anyways, so we're on the way to the zoo now, Okinawa Zoo. So I guess we'll see you then. Okinawa Zoo. Alright guys, we're inside the zoo. Let's see what they have. So last time we came here was Christmas time. It was interesting. They had a lot of lights and the Christmas trees and a bunch of other stuff. They had a Michael Jackson.
Michael
Is it
Jackson.
here?
はい、マイケル・ジャクソンのなんかダンス
Yeah, but it was like Halloween stuff.
アメリカにはアイスのアイスの自動販売機がないっていうことで、What did you get? チョコミント。
Lion is a female.
How do you know that's
Because she doesn't have like the hairs on her face. It's definitely female. Carpet food.
Ooh, my God! Did again. This is a lot, man.
What's the orange one? Is that a woman or something?
I don't know. But they have many like kind of. Oh my God, that's a lot.
These are orange. Hey, these are too small for the big ones. Hey, you try all of them. That one, they will attack you, like if they have kids, like eggs or something.
Hey, look, watch this guy.
Stop dropping.
Okay, watch this guy. いくよ。
Nani?
1, 2, 3. Oh, nothing happened. I see many babies. I want to feed a baby.
They're too slow. So I guess these are traditional Japanese huts or houses. Storing crops. Teddy bear, right?
This is interesting.
So grab it. Alright, I did. It looks like the last samurai houses. Like, is this one family area or neighborhood or something? This is like one family like area now. Like houses, buildings. Cattle stall. They have like irrigation for the water to go. They're smart. Now we are dumb. Well, I am dumb. And toilet. So people used to live here, this place, before? Like this articulate gardens or something. Can you live here, babe, if you were there?
You can live.
But what if you did live here, babe, like 100 years ago or 500 years ago? What is this way? Wonder Museum.
Is it a sweet animation?
It's cool, man.
It's like they are running.
Nice.
What happened to the picture that is spin it?
Look inside.
Spin it. Oh yeah.
Wow. What is it? Oh, can't use it. A-E-U-E-O.
Create the voice of it.
Weird, nah? Oh.
Oh, you can make a song.
Oh. Do it.
I don't know how to do it.
We are too stupid, though. You try. You try, bro. You need to do it when I'm talking, I think. Do it.
Just make your sounds.
E. E. I don't know. Oh. Ooh. Ooh.
The face upside down and see.
Your face upside down.
Hi.
Interesting. I don't know.
Where's something?
I don't know. Go over there, man.
She says like, have a look in the mistress mirror.
I don't know. Oh, I'm here.
Hi. Put your hand in a seal. Like this.
What the heck? Heartbeat. It's there.
Is that mine? Yeah. Oh. Maybe yours are blue.
Yours is blue.
No, I don't think so. Oh yeah. Do it again.
Mine is green. Interesting.
Ours is the same tempo. It can't.
Hey, be careful.
He hit my hair.
Silly.
この順番に色を覚えて並べないといけないんです。いけるかな？He's so fast. Let's end. できた？すごいな。You did it? You did it? you wanna get out here. Like, I think the monkeys. Here,
Nani? Dajabu.
I think monkeys like shouldn't be stuck here.
None of them should.
The mosquitoes along you.
Mosquitoes are so bad. Wait, this is the Pirates of the Caribbean monkey.
Whoa.
Hey. Hey.
Hey, make a sound. It's not to make sounds.
What are you doing?
Good. He is definitely
They're mad.
no, he's definitely big because he's like, like always go scared and
They're mad. Somebody
skinny.
mad.
But he's big, babe.
He's pooping, babe. Look. Pooping and peeing.
Oh, stop flipping.
He's gonna throw it.
Because he is like, he wouldn't poop, but he's so scared, you know what I mean? Just poop it.
He did. Look at a baby.
What happened, though? What happened? Why people are...
I don't know. Hey guys.
Hi.
So we're leaving the zoo now. It's pretty fun, pretty interesting to see the animals. I feel bad for them though because they are stuck there. They can't do anything. Yes, it's a zoo. But it is torture. Torture. I'll see you guys in the car.